Let's pick up a pen and get started. So the position vector of a moving particle is given by this. And remember, it's for t is between 2 and 6. Find the Cartesian equation of the path. Well, that's our x in front of the little I there, and that's our y. So we're saying x is equal to root of t minus 2, and y is equal to 2t. So if you want to, you can say, I'm going to say from this that t is equal to y on 2. So x is equal to, now instead of the square root of t minus 2 like it says, since t is y on 2, I'll pop that in there, y on 2 minus 2. Then I'll square both sides. X squared is y on 2 minus 2. So y on 2 equals x squared plus 2. So y equals 2x squared plus 4. And remembering that t goes between 2 and 6, so x is equal to root of t minus 2. So let's see, when it's 2, x is root of 2 minus 2. And when it's 6, x is root of 6 minus 2. That's 4. So x is going in between or equal to 0 and 4 for this. But I imagine you'll get away with just writing that. But better would be to have the condition on it that's happening in the situation. Sketch the path of the particle on the axes provided. All right, so if it goes across to 4, x is 4 because 6, x is 6 minus root 4 is 2. Actually, it goes across to 2. I'm glad I checked up on myself then. Root of 4 is 2. So it actually goes between 0 and 2. When it's 2, 2 times 2 squared, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12. It's got to get up to 12, and it's got to go across to 2. So how about we just go like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 there. We can have the axes with different scales. So how about we have this axis going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this going 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And that way it starts off, when x is 0, it starts off here at 4. And when x is 2, we end up at 12. And it's a parabola. Like if you have 1, if you put 1 in for x, you'll get 6, right? So it kind of does a parabola shape like that. But it ends, that's the point. It doesn't keep going up. Now, if I wanted to make that even more obvious, I guess what I could do is I could change this scale a little bit more along here, and I could make this be 1, make this be 1, no, that'd be 1, and this be 2 out here. That way you got 1, 6, which is there. You got 2, 12, which is up there. So it can kind of have a bit more of a curve on it. Okay. Anyway, it's a parabola, and it starts at this point here, 0, 4, and ends up at this point here, which is 2, 12.